So does your sacroiliac or SI joint feel locked up and tight and it just feels like that built up tension needs to be released? In this video, I'm going to show you how with some really easy movements. Hey everyone, Dr. Rowe here at SpineCare in St. Joseph, Michigan. SI joint strains are a common complaint in my office, and these movements I'm going to share with you have helped many of my patients get more motion back in their sacroiliac joints and help eliminate achiness and stiffness around the lower back, hips, and pelvis. I just want to note that these are for simple strains of the SI joint, such as having tightness after a good workout or from work. They should not be used to treat severe pain or major issues like advanced arthritis. Always consult with your local chiropractor or doctor first if you have any questions. The SI joint is the largest synovial or fluid-filled joint in the body. You have two of them, one on the left and one on the right. It's located within the pelvis and it's the union of the sacrum and the ilium. This union is bonded by very strong ligaments, which gives this joint a very sturdy support system. It needs this since it helps support the entire weight of the upper body. Also, it aids in shock absorption for the spine and for pelvic movements. Since there's so much being put on the SI joints, it's common that they get overwhelmed and strained. With these stretches, they're going to focus on resetting the SI joints and relieving tightness in the soft tissues around the joint. You may experience a popping or cracking sensation while doing these, which is just normal gases within the joint being released very rapidly. This would be similar to a knuckle crack or pop. This should help you have more overall movement in the lower back, less tightness, and dull achy pain. So let's get started and get feeling better right now.
So I'm going to show you how to reset the SI joint in 3 really easy movements. What you need to do is find a flat surface. You can do these in bed, on the couch, on the floor, whatever's comfortable for you. It just needs to be flat. So we're going to start off by bending the knees, and then we're going to bring the legs up just like this, almost like a nice 90-degree angle. From there, I'm going to take my hands and place them on the sides of the knees. I'm then going to take the knees and try to drive them outwards while I resist against my hands. What that's going to do is help release tension in that SI joint, and you might feel a popping sensation. That's completely normal. Again, that's just the gases escaping from the joint very rapidly. What I'd like to do is hold this one for short bursts, 3 to 5 seconds, kind of relax, and then do them upwards to 10 times. The next part is going to be the opposite. We're going to go back into that same position, but what we're going to do instead is squeeze into it. So we're going to take our hands and place them together like that, put them in between the knees, and then drive the knees inwards and resist against it with your hands. Again, you're going to feel a quick tension release. Hold that for about 3 to 5 seconds, relax, and then keep doing it upwards to 5 to 10 times. So the next one is my personal favorite. This is a really good way to reset the SI joints. What I'm going to do is this type of motion, but I'm going to resist against it with my hands. So what I'm trying to do is resist against the push and then resist against the pull on the other leg. And I just alternate those over and over again, just very short bursts. And this is just a really good way to take tension out of the SI joint and reset them. This one I try to do upwards to about 10 times on each side. So I would just count to 20. Just 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 20.
If you liked the video and got some relief, please show us your support by giving this video a like and maybe subscribing too. And please let us know in the comments section how they work for you. We appreciate it, and thanks for watching.